Hi family, I am so glad you're here today to watch this tutorial, and in today's tutorial I am going to teach you how to take down your Bantu knots the right way. So the first step is to make sure your hair isn't wet when you intend to take this down or unravel it. The second step is to unravel it in the other direction you created the knot in. I don't know if you understand, but just roll it in the other direction. Just take a look at my hands so you understand what I mean by roll it in the other direction you rolled it in. And it is important I tell you about this. Please be gentle with your hair when taking this down. Do not try to pull it, do not try to rough handle your hair even when it tangles, so be careful. So now just pay close attention to my hands and you should be able to do this perfectly. I don't have a tutorial on how to make Bantu knots. However, if you want me to make a tutorial on it, I will gladly do so. So let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Taking this down is really easy, but sometimes your hair can get tangled up and you'll need to be gentle when unraveling it. I've been wearing my hair this way for a week now before deciding to take down the Bantu knots, and I felt okay. Let's see what it looks like. And the funny thing is, I didn't even use any products or any serious coil activator product. The only thing I used was just my coconut Blue Magic coconut cream and water. That was all I used to achieve this, so you should be able to do it too. Sometimes I totally forget to introduce myself, especially to those of you seeing me for the very first time. And let's not forget, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for stopping by. You know I love you. I love you so much. And yes, this is for those of you seeing me for the very first time. Hi, I'm Glory Abel and I am here to help you learn how to make your hair yourself, as well as take care of your natural hair without breaking your bank account. My tutorials are perfectly made for beginners like yourself, that's if you're a beginner. And if you're looking to learn how to care for your hair, your natural hair, and how to style your natural hair on budget, this is the perfect place for you, my love. This is where you belong, this family. So make sure to subscribe, click on the notification bell, hit on the bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. So what I'm doing now is just separating these curly looking babies to give me more definition. Oh my god, I'm truly excited. I swear, I am so excited. This is the first time I'm getting this right. I've tried taking down my Bantu knots before and the results were not as good as this. So I'm just using my comb to give me more volume because I know how I like full hair. So I'm not going to leave my hair down. I'm going to pack it up this way in a puff just to, style it and all. I'm not going to use any gel, just my hair doing its thing, living its own life. Kindly give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see. If you've learned something, let me know in the comment section if I was too fast or if this is something you would try. Let me know in the comment section, would you try this? Would you make Bantu knots and take them out and style your hair this way, just your hair doing its own thing? Would you take your hair to an event with this style? Just let me know in the comment section, and your comments are so encouraging, guys. Thank you so much for your comments. I truly appreciate it. I do not take you guys for granted. Thank you. And of course, do not forget to join the family. Join the family so you keep getting updates about different ways to style your hair on a budget. So this is what the back is looking like, because I made this bantu knot the day I took down my mini twist, so that's why it's looking this way, but I still love it. So click here to see my mini twist video. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.